This is the first time in the history of Bangladesh, without looking back, he has doubled, more than doubled the budget of health sector from 23,000 around to 69,000 crores for creating the good entrepreneurship in the medical sector. As you all know, we are a small country with a very, very large number of population. It is 18 to 20 crores of population, but as compared to the number of our population, the servicing doctors, nurses and other auxiliary staffs are very poor. Despite all the disadvantages, our doctors, our nurses and other forces, technicians, they are giving their services, they are showing their good entrepreneurship in different crises of the nation, like Corona. I proudly say it was the success of the community of our doctors and their entrepreneurship of quality, entrepreneurship of devotion, their effort to the sense of survivability of the patients. Our mortality rate during the Corona period were less as compared to the mortality rate of other developed countries and even our neighboring countries like India and others. It was the success of our doctors. In the recent past measles, which was an acute problem for this government at the start of the operation, under the able leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Tariq Rahman, we have fought with that thing along with our doctors. And I think we have won the battle. Again we are fighting against dengue. That is our entrepreneurship that we took our effort 2 months back under the instruction of our Honorable Prime Minister for cleanliness. And as compared to the past some years, as on date, our position in dengue management is better than the other period, other government period. Our entrepreneurship in medical. As you know all, our private pharmaceutical producers have achieved a good name in the international market of the medicine export. Just 1 week back, I went to a WHO conference in Paris. 2-3 countries, including Tunisia, they have requested me to make my meeting with our pharmaceutical producers and government. They want to take our medicines from our country, like cancer medicines and other medicines we are producing. We are going to establish vaccine manufacturing production. And you will not be surprised to note that our one non-doctor biochemist from Dhaka University, Dr. Jafar Siddiqui, in a very silent manner, his silent entrepreneurship, he invented pedograph. I think I have not made any wrong in announcing the word pedograph. It's a foot cancer, just like a belt of something, I do not know the material. He has invented it. And in silent entrepreneurship, he is exporting a lot in Pakistan, which reduces the removal of the leg due to the foot ulcer due to diabetes. He has invented that small pedograph on the basis of which the shoemaker makes the shoe to be ordered by the diabetic patient, and he will never suffer from leg cancer. That is the achievement of our people. One of our doctors from ICDDRB, during the last time when the ventilator failed to support, to make inflow of the oxygen into the lung of the babies, he invented a small thing only by 350 taka, a small water container to make bubbles in the water. The oxygen which is not carried by the baby, it comes to the bottle and the bottle makes the water, makes the bubbles. From the bubbles again, the oxygen is taken back to the baby and it makes the lung clear to absorb the oxygen. And this machine had saved a large number of babies of our country during the last measures. That is the achievement of our doctor. That is a quality entrepreneurship. Dr. Chishti and Dr. Mahdi. That is the achievement of our doctors. Just 1 day back, our Honorable Prime Minister has introduced me to one of our young entrepreneurs who has invented a neonatal ventilator for our country at a very cheaper cost. Our peoples are not sitting idle. The new concept of medical entrepreneurship is going up. I am not saying that we are very much developed in this sector, but we can. And under the able leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, who can create something, we are trying our best to achieve the best entrepreneurship in the medical sector. We are a large number of population. It is very difficult, but our entrepreneurship has reached up to the remote village. We are not very expert, but nowadays in our country, bone marrow transplantation is going on. Liver transplantation has already been started. And open heart surgery and stenting system, we are renowned in this subcontinent. Our Dr. Moniruzzaman, our Dr. Jahangir, they have earned a very good name in this entrepreneurship, and many other doctors. We are trying. We are achieving every day. We are not lagging behind. We are trying, we are striving to go advance in the health sector. We are, this year, we are trying to reach up to the village level, that is primary health care, which is the main slogan of our Honorable Prime Minister. We have taken so much of measures, not by only thought, not only by speaking. We are going to implement. We have already started from the very 1st July of 2026. That is the start of the new budget year. And we are being closely monitored by our Honorable Prime Minister. He is the best entrepreneur for us. We as followers, we are trying to implement all these things for the betterment of the medical entrepreneurship. Medical entrepreneurship needs moral, high moral. Without high moral, in this entrepreneurship cannot be successful. But the first moral, the medicine, which is the main component of the medical entrepreneurship. Our medicine is not of low quality. Most of our medicine carries very high dignity, high quality medicine is being exported in different countries, and they are happy with our medicine by using in case of the patients in their countries.